maybe he's gonna blow like a volcano. Come on, you guys. Don't talk that way about Tommy. You'll scare him. Besides, there's no way he's gonna blow. That's just plain... He's gonna blow! Run away! Run away! What's all the racket in here? We're trying not to get Tommy all over us when he pops. You dumb babies. He's not gonna pop. He just has the hiccups. The hiccups? Ooh, that doesn't sound so good, Tommy. Don't you know any way I can get rid of them? Sure. Everybody knows that. All you gotta do to get rid of them is to have somebody scare you. Oh, well, could you do that for me?